Look who's right here outside the window.
Oh, it's a raccoon.
A tanuki.
Oh dear God Almighty. Oh,
Hi. Shh, I'm taking a video.
He's eating the bird food? I see.
Well, the last thing you want to do is scare him.
Maybe it's a pet. Here, Coon. Let's call him Bandit. No, maybe it's somebody's pet.
Doubt it. Look at his little coon tail.
They should not be on the daytime, though.
I mean, they still come out during the day. Well, the fact of the matter is, it's very... What the fuck is on me?
Let me see, Nicholas. Get out of the way.
I'm taking a video. Alright, fine. Keep recording this.
He's awful. He's not afraid.
He's awful docile.
Yeah, that's why either something's wrong with him or he's just... Look at his back.
What? Oh, fuck.
What?
It's all cut up.
You getting a fight? Something bad happened to him.
Oh, buddy.
Hi. He's not afraid at all.
I can't even believe this right now. This is so cool.
It's all back meat.
Oh, poor buddy. Well, I'm glad he's getting a bite to eat.
Can I give him some hot water, too?
No.
Give him a bath.
It just kind of worries me that he's out now.
I can't even believe this right now.
He's eating now. That's a good sign. I didn't know he was on the roof.
Look at his little hands. He's got thumbs. Hi.
Boy, they're beautiful. It really is.
Nicholas, can you move so I can get a good picture, please?
Yep.
Where's Matthew?
Hang on, let me just get a good picture real quick.
Or just get a good picture and send it to me.
Fine.
Wait till he looks at you.
Don't.
No.
Get it.
I fucking am. Don't.
Why he looked up?
I've already got a bunch of pictures.
Do we have a coonskin hat anywhere I can put on? He loses it.
It's a big raccoon.
It is.
You need to go show Grandma this too.
He must have been someone's pet.
Let him in then.
Fuck that.
See if he puts his paw up.
I've never been this close to a raccoon.
I know. I want to put my face near him.
No, Elizabeth.
Not near him, but by the window.
His eyes look okay.
He sees me.
Let me